Welcome to this Windows channel, and today we're taking a look at the brand new build of Windows 10 Insider Preview. This, as you see in the watermark, is Windows 10 Pro Insider Preview Evaluation Copy Build 10,532. So on August 27th, late afternoon, Microsoft released a new Insider Preview for Windows 10, and that's not much more than a week after the release of 5.2.5. So first, to answer one of the most popular questions that I've got is, a lot of people said, well, why is there new insider previews? I thought Windows 10 was final. Well, Windows 10 is not like other operating systems. It's never finished. It will be an evolving operating system. So this is the insider preview of what's coming for everybody in October, which is TH2 or Threshold 2, or for some what some people also call Wave 2. Basically, the insiders, if you're an insider, get these new features slowly as time comes by. So you have to be in a fast ring to get it. And a little tip here. It seems that the next build will have many new improved features, so that's going to be interesting to see. It took about an hour to install on my computer, which is typical of pretty much all Windows 10 installs on this machine. It did crash on a blue screen, but you know what? I'm used to it. On this machine, it seems that it does that all the time, and it's always on the graphics adapter driver. But you know what? It restarts and continues where it left off and just works fine. So I don't really take, I don't really mind it anymore because it doesn't seem to affect at all the install of Windows 10. What's new in this version? Not a lot, basically. There's not a lot to talk about. For those that are web developers, there's some new features for you guys. So if you're a web developer, you might have a few features that Microsoft Edge now has available for you. But apart from that, there's nothing new, and I've checked through Edge. I've checked a lot of the options. One thing that I did see, and we can see pretty much throughout the Windows this build, is that the fonts and the text of the different menus has changed. Especially the contextual menus. When you right click, you can see that that has changed. It's different than it was before. And you know what? It's nice, and apparently it's one of the complaints that a lot of people had. That the text, the font, the size was wrong, was not right, and people were complaining a lot about that, so they've changed it here. So that's one of the things that you see. Another feature that they've done is they've actually, Microsoft says it's improving consistency in the dark theme, and you can see that they're trying to apply the dark theme to everywhere when you actually choose that theme. So for example, the dark theme, for those that wonder, is what you see here. For example, in my Edge, you can see that I chose a dark theme instead of a light theme. It really is different. And behold, because I chose dark theme, when you right click and go to the start menu and you right click in the power menu, you could see that the power menu is also dark now, where it was light, white with dark text in the previous version, the previous build. And basically that's pretty much what everybody has right now, is when you right click there, it's a white menu. So they've tweaked that to make it a little more universal. Apart from that, I didn't see really a lot of changes. I don't see nothing much. If I do, of course I'll be posting more info on it, but that's pretty much the visual side of it. Microsoft did say that the majority of this build is bug fixes and stability fixes, so a lot of stuff that we don't really see. By the way, for those that are using Google Chrome 64 bits, when the Insider build 10.525 was released, everybody started saying that their 64-bit Chrome didn't work anymore. And Google has released a new version of Google Chrome 64 bits. So if you like 64-bit version, they've released that new version that actually works and fixed the problem, and apparently works well in 10.532 also. So you can get that latest version if you want. So apart from that, stability is correct. I've used it for many hours, didn't have any crashes, any freezes. It's fast, it's crisp, it works well. Nothing wrong with it. Nothing I can say that I found that was a problem. So these builds are actually very, very stable and very good already. So that's pretty much what I have to say about this build. So if you enjoy my videos, why not subscribe to my channel? You'll be informed when new videos are online. You know what, we'll post tons of videos, so why not stay with us and learn how to use Windows 10 and see all the tips and tricks videos and so on. Give us thumbs up if you like the videos, because they help us in the ratings on YouTube, and it's always fun to have your feedback, so why not share that with us. If you install this build, what do you think? You like it, you don't like it, is something going wrong? I've seen a few comments about people saying they couldn't upgrade to 532, it didn't work. Always share your comments, always fun to have your feedback. If you have anything that you'd like us to post as a video, it's always fun to have all that information. So thank you for watching.